this is Shahat. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about 3 viral Instagram DIYs that have been trending on Instagram for about, I think, a year. And they're super easy, super quick to make. So let's just get right into the video. For the first DIY, you're going to need an empty container. Make sure you're using a container that you know you would not be using again in the future. 2 to 3 nail paints of your choice, whatever colors you like, a stirrer or a toothpick, and a white mug. First step is you're going to take in your container and fill it halfway through with water. Next, you're going to take your nail paint and pour a few drops in the water. I'm just trying to make a few circles around it. So I did it with the pink, and now I'm just doing the same thing with the magenta color. Next, take your stirrer or your toothpick and simply try to make a zigzag pattern between both the colors. You're just basically trying to get a marble sort of effect, so that's pretty much what I'm doing here. Now take your mug, place it in the water and just start rotating it. What's going to happen when you rotate it is the color, the nail paint's actually all going to transfer on your mug. I didn't want a straight line, so I'm trying to make it go swirly, and basically what I'm trying to do is get all of the nail paint that's in the water to stick on my mug. Voila, you're done. That's pretty much all you need to do, and you could definitely try it in different colors as well. For the next DIY, you're going to need a jar, some gold spray paint, animal figurines, you could get this at a toy store, a glue gun or maybe Fevikwik. First step, we're going to remove the lids of the jar and take our animal figurines, and all we're going to do is spray paint all of this. We're going to let this dry completely for at least 24 hours because it's going to give a better finish like that. This is what it's going to look like once it's all dried off. And next we're going to take our glue gun or our Fevikwik and simply apply the glue to the ends of the figurine, the animal figurine, and we're going to stick that animal to the center of the lid. We're going to let this dry for a few hours, and that's pretty much it. Once they're dried off, you can just put the lids back onto the jars and you're done. For the third DIY, you're going to need some fabric, a glue gun, a scissor and a pen, and some thread. Step 1, you're going to lay your fabric flat facing upside down, so the right side is actually facing downwards and the back side is what you see on the top. What you're going to do next is take your cardboard and place it on top of the fabric. From all the 4 ends, fold the fabric inwards. Take your glue gun and simply glue all the 4 edges. This barely takes 15 minutes. It's very simple, but make sure it's secured. Let that dry, and that's pretty much it. That's what the front side is going to look like. I'm sorry I wasn't able to actually zoom out and show it to you, but in the later videos you'll be able to see how it really looks. This is optional, but if you'd like, you can take your thread, just simply fold it into half, and one side's a loop, the other 2 ends are open. What you're going to do is stick the open ends on the cardboard in such a way that you get a hanging. And that's pretty much it, guys. These were the 3 viral Instagram DIYs that I've been seeing. They're super easy, they look really good. So if you guys did enjoy this video, please do give it a thumbs up and please share it with your friends. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.